It's what I do. I fix things. I'm always doing repair work for people or for myself. These systems are the muscular and mental structure running pretty much the planet. We rely on so much of this and don't really know how much we do rely on. So understanding this or keeping this all going is pretty important.
Electromechanical systems covers electrical or electricity theory. We cover mechanical power and hydraulic and pneumatic power. This program can lead to many jobs. A student that's good with their hands, that likes to tinker with things or likes to solve puzzles is a good electromechanical student, because those are the types of people that in the field understand that their primary purpose is troubleshooting and repair.
Somebody should study electromechanical systems because it is a vast and sometimes misunderstood field. Electromechanical is really so many places that you go. You know, whether you are working on a water system or 3M, developing different products that we use on a day-to-day basis. You know, this is a field that is expansive, it's interesting, and it kind of helps our day-to-day life move.
What motivates me is just kind of a challenge to myself. As you can tell, I'm older. It's never too late to go back to school. I would say if you're thinking about a career change, just to come down to an open house, give it a chance, talk to some of the staff, some of the students, and just see what it's like. It's a brighter future for yourself.
Electromechanical Systems offers various diplomas, certificates, and it also has an AAS degree. We are a hybrid format program. We are built around the idea that full-time employees also need to get training. So the coursework is delivered online, and when you're coming in, it's just for the labs and to get the labs done to complete your degree. This section allows any pressure in here to vent.
Travis has patience. He has a knowledge base that's omnidirectional. It's easy to communicate with Travis. He actually is invested in teaching you what you want to learn.
The other students in the class are very helpful. They always, if you're stumped on something, they take notice and, offer some help without giving you the answers. And they're all very friendly and they're nice to work with.
If you're a tinkerer, it is a stable way to make money on a passion of yours. You would actually be able to harness the desire to know the ins and outs of machines and stuff like that. It can be very rewarding. The pay is good, all that stuff, but it can be very rewarding to be the person that figured out the problem and how to fix it.